Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving Codeforces Round 857. Problem A, likes. So basically there was a Codeforces round or any round of a problem contest, and there is a post after the round, and there are posts on which people can like and dislike on this platform. So we are given an array basically which contains some information about who liked and disliked our post. Now there are no dislikes, so basically people can like your post or people can like and then remove the like from your post. So we are given an array, and every positive integer basically represents that the person has liked your post, and the negative integer represents that that same person has disliked your post. So what are we given? We are given an integer n and an array, something like this: 4, 3, -1, 2, 1 and -2. So the negative integers -1 and -2 represent that the person 1 and person 2 has disliked our post, and the positive integers 4, 3, 2 and 1 means that the person 1, person 2, person 3 and person 4 have liked our post. So what are we asked? We are asked that since the numbers are all jumbled up, what is the minimum and maximum amount of likes possible which could have been at every instant of time. Now this is a very simple problem. To minimize the number of likes, what we can do is every time a like comes, we immediately dislike it. So it will go like +1 and 0, +1 and 0, like that. As you can see from the examples, +1, 0, +1, 0. So this is a very nice way to always keep the likes at the minimum. And once all the dislikes are over, we have to keep on increasing because we have no other choice. But when we have to find the maximum number of likes, what we do is we keep on increasing, and then we have to take the dislikes. I'll explain it. So I've taken this example here. So here, if you can see carefully, there are only two dislikes, 1 and 2. So the person number 1 and person number 4 have disliked, which also means they have liked first. So this is 4 and this is 1. And there are two people who have only liked. So what do we do for min? So first we count the number of people who have disliked. There are only two types of people. Two types. First, only like, and second, like plus dislike. So we count the number of dislikes. That will also give us the number of likes, right? So here the number of dislikes are 2 and total is 7. So the likes would be 7 minus 2, which is basically n minus dislikes, right? So this is the likes. Now for a minimum, what we do? We do like, dislike until the number of dislikes as possible. Like here, if there are 2 dislikes, it's 1 0 1 0. So 2 into dislikes. These many elements are done, and after this the remaining elements are just 1 2 3 because they are continuously likes. 2 times the number of dislikes, and this would be n minus 2 times number of dislikes. And for max, what do? First we take all the likes. So like 1 2 3 4 5, and then the number of dislikes, we decrease those. So 4 and 3. So this is d and this is n minus d. So there are only two cases. One is the max, for which the first n minus d elements increase and then d decrease. And for min, 2d are in the format of 1 0 1 0 and n minus 2d are increasing. So let's look at the code. Let's look at my accepted solution. Yeah, so I've done exactly that. I've taken the input array, and if the array element is negative, then that's a dislike, count negatives. And now for the max, we just do for the max, we first increase up to n minus d and then decrease up to d. So for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n minus d, d is here count negatives, and we print the I, which is 1 2 3 4 5, and then the number of count negatives, we decrease it. And for min, we have to do 2d times 1 0. Actually, d times 1 0, which is a total of 2d elements. So from I is 1 to d, we print 1 0, and the remaining elements are n minus 2d. So 1 to n minus 2d times the I, and I increases like 1 2 3. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching.